Most people scroll past domains thinking they're just web addresses. But what if I told you one domain, loans.com, sold for $2 million, and today it earns over $5,000 per day on autopilot? No physical office, no big team, just traffic and smart monetization. In this video, I'll break down how this domain makes that money, why it works so well, and how you can copy the model, even if you're starting with $50. This isn't a theory video, it's based on real assets. Let's dive in. Back in the early 2000s, loans.com was picked up for a few $1,000s. Then came the credit boom. Banks started competing for online traffic. They needed leads, fast. Instead of building from scratch, many lenders just rented traffic. And that's where loans.com won. It started ranking on Google, driving organic and paid traffic. Every visitor was a potential mortgage, refinance, or personal loan. Eventually, the domain was acquired by Bank of America. Why? Because owning that traffic source permanently was worth millions. And it still generates thousands per day, even 2 decades later. Let's break it down. First, pay-per-click ads using Google AdSense. Lenders pay up to $50 per click on keywords like loan, mortgage, refinance. Even a 1% click-through rate can make serious money. Second, affiliate offers. Platforms like LendingTree or Credit Karma offer $50, $150 per lead. The domain redirects visitors to the best offer, gets paid per sign-up. Third, direct partnerships. Banks or fintech companies pay a flat fee to rent placement. High-ticket recurring revenue from these deals. Fourth, email capture. Visitors are captured via free calculators or rate estimators. The email list becomes another income stream via promotions. In total, the domain monetizes every visitor multiple times. This works because it's intent-based traffic. People searching for loans are ready to buy. The domain name is a trust signal. No one questions a site called loans.com. It avoids social media trends or algorithm dependence. It's evergreen, it's SEO, it's a traffic machine. And here's the kicker. It doesn't require new content daily, just optimized landing pages and basic maintenance. You don't need $2 million. You need, first, an expired or undervalued domain. Use sites like expireddomains.net, GoDaddy Auctions, or Squad Help. Look for 1-2 word names in finance, health, or legal. Second, a low-cost landing page builder. Tools like Card, Systeme.io, Framer, or WordPress with the Astra theme. Third, monetization setup. Join affiliate programs. LendingTree, MaxBounty, Impact.com. Apply to Google AdSense. Collect emails via MailerLite or Beehive. Fourth, drive traffic. Use SEO. Write 3-5 blog posts. Run $5 a day. Google Ads. Post on Reddit or Quora with backlinks. You can launch a working version of this model for under $100. And some domains can break even in 30 days or less. Here are some more examples. Insurance.com reportedly earns 7 figures a year via leads. Creditcards.com was acquired for $2.75 million, monetized by card referrals. Autoinsurance.com sells direct traffic to State Farm, Geico, and more. These domains make money from intent, not followers. This is the new wave of digital wealth. High-earning, low-effort digital assets. And the best part, it's not saturated. If you want me to break down real, available domains under $100 with high earning potential, drop a comment and subscribe. Next video, I'll show you 5 domains available today that could make you $1,000 a month or more. Stay tuned.